You're watching the Weiss channel. Today we're modeling with linear functions. This is part 1. All right. For example, Brooklyn is a computer salesperson. She earns a salary plus commission. Commission is where they pay you for every item you sell. In this case, it's computers. So Brooklyn would make more money for each computer she sells. That's called commission. Determine her base pay regardless of sales. Regardless of sales assumes that she sold 0 computers, okay? So here's a chart giving her pay and X dollars in sales, okay? So we're gonna still do Y equals MX plus B. So we're gonna do 225 minus 145 over 8,500 minus 4,500. That's going to give us 80 over 4,000, which equals 0.02. So Y equals 0.02X plus B. Now we need a number for X and a number for Y. So we're going to put 145 in for Y and 4,500 in for X. Okay. When we do that, we get 145 equals 90 plus B. We subtract 90 from both sides and get B equals 55. In these problems, we're basically just looking for B, because when you put in Y equals 0.02X plus 55, the assumption is 0 were sold. Okay, and 0.02 times 0 is 0, so Y would be 55. In every one of these problems, X is going to be 0. You sold 0 computers in this case. Let's look at the next example. Hansel is signing up for a gym membership with a one-time fee to join and then a monthly fee. Let C represent the total cost over T months. T always stands for time and C stands for cost. Determine the one-time fee. The one-time fee means you've had 0 months so far in the gym. All right, so here's your chart. Okay, we're going to do 325 minus 235 over 5 minus 3. Okay, so we're going to get 90 over 2, which is 45. So we're going to put 235 in for Y and 3 in for X. Okay, so Y equals 45 times, 235 equals 45 times 3 plus B. Okay, so 235 equals 135 plus B. You minus 135 from both sides and get B equals 100, because Y equals 45 times 0 plus 100, so Y equals 100. Okay. An electrician charges a set fee for every hour and for every house call, and then charges an hourly rate after that. C is the total cost of the visit when the electrician spends T hours at the house. Determine the set fee for the house call. So here's the chart. Okay, we're going to do 450 minus 360 divided by 6 minus 4.5. And we're going to get 90 divided by 1.5, which gives us 60. Okay, so Y equals 60, X plus B. I'm going to put in 450 for Y and 6 for X. Okay, so 450 equals 60 times 6 plus B. So 450 equals 360 plus B. You minus 360 from both sides, and you get 90 equals B, because Y equals 60 times 0 plus 90. You've been watching the Weiss channel.